Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Paints have been an integral part of human civilization for centuries, with the earliest forms dating back to prehistoric cave paintings. As technology and science have advanced, so too has the variety of paints available. Today, painters, decorators, and DIY enthusiasts can choose from a wide range of paint types, each with its unique properties, advantages, and specific uses. Among the most commonly used paints are oil-based, water-based, enamel, and acrylic paints. Understanding the differences between these types of paints, as well as their ideal applications, is essential for achieving the best results in any painting project, whether it's for home improvement, artistic creation, or industrial application. Oil-based paints have been a staple in the painting world for many years. Known for their durability and high-gloss finish, these paints are made from natural oils such as linseed oil or synthetic alkyd resins. Oil-based paints take longer to dry compared to other types, often requiring a full day or more to set completely. This slow drying time can be both an advantage and a disadvantage, depending on the project. The extended drying period allows for more working time, enabling painters to achieve smooth, even coats without the worry of brushstrokes drying prematurely. However, it also means that the painted surface remains vulnerable to dust and other contaminants for a longer period. Oil-based paints are highly durable, making them ideal for surfaces that need to withstand heavy wear and tear, such as doors, trim, and furniture. They also adhere well to a variety of surfaces, including metal and wood, providing a robust and long-lasting finish. However, the use of oil-based paints has declined in recent years due to environmental concerns and health risks associated with the high levels of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, they emit. These VOCs contribute to air pollution and can cause respiratory problems in humans, leading to stricter regulations and a shift towards more environmentally friendly options. Water-based paints, also known as latex or emulsion paints, have become increasingly popular as a safer and more eco-friendly alternative to oil-based paints. These paints are composed primarily of water, with pigments and binders suspended in the liquid. One of the most significant advantages of water-based paints is their low VOC content, which makes them much safer to use, particularly in indoor environments. They dry relatively quickly, usually within a few hours, which allows for faster project completion and less downtime between coats. Water-based paints are easy to clean up with just soap and water, making them convenient for both professional painters and DIYers. They are also less prone to yellowing over time, which is a common issue with oil-based paints. However, water-based paints may not be as durable as oil-based options, especially in high-traffic areas or on surfaces that are frequently exposed to moisture. Despite this, advancements in paint technology have led to the development of water-based paints with improved durability and washability, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, including walls, ceilings, and exterior surfaces. Enamel paint is often confused with oil-based paint, but the term enamel actually refers to the finish rather than the composition of the paint. Enamel paints are known for their hard, glossy finish, which resembles the surface of enamelware. This type of paint can be either oil-based or water-based, though traditionally, enamel paints were primarily oil-based. The high-gloss, durable finish of enamel paint makes it an excellent choice for areas that require a tough, resistant coating, such as kitchen cabinets, bathroom fixtures, and outdoor furniture. Enamel paints are also resistant to chipping and scratching, making them ideal for surfaces that are subject to frequent use and cleaning. Oil-based enamel paints offer superior durability and a smoother finish, but they also come with the same drawbacks as other oil-based paints. including longer drying times and higher VOC emissions. Water-based enamel paints, on the other hand, provide a more environmentally friendly option with faster drying times and easier cleanup, although they may not be as tough as their oil-based counterparts. Choosing between oil-based and water-based enamel paint depends on the specific requirements of the project, including the level of durability needed and the environmental considerations. Acrylic paint, another popular choice among painters, is a type of water-based paint that is highly versatile and known for its quick-drying properties. Unlike traditional water-based paints, acrylics contain a higher concentration of acrylic resin, which gives them excellent adhesion and durability. Acrylic paints are widely used in both artistic and industrial applications due to their flexibility and resistance to cracking, fading, and peeling. They are also water-resistant once dry, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Acrylic paints are available in a range of finishes, from matte to glossy, and can be used on various surfaces, including canvas, wood, metal, and plastic. One of the key advantages of acrylic paint is its ability to retain color vibrancy over time, even when exposed to sunlight and harsh weather conditions. This makes acrylics a popular choice for murals, outdoor signage, and other projects where long-lasting color is essential. Additionally, acrylic paints can be easily thinned with water or mixed with other mediums to achieve different textures and effects, making them a favorite among artists and crafters. When selecting the right paint for a project, it's essential to consider the specific requirements of the surface being painted, the desired finish, and the environmental factors. Oil-based paints are best suited for surfaces that require a durable, high-gloss finish, such as trim, doors, and furniture. However, due to their high VOC content and longer drying times, they are less commonly used in residential settings where environmental and health considerations are a priority. Water-based paints, with their lower VOC emissions and quick drying times, are a safer and more convenient option for most interior and exterior applications, including walls, ceilings, and siding. Enamel paints, whether oil-based or water-based, offer a tough, glossy finish that is ideal for high-traffic areas and surfaces that require frequent cleaning, such as kitchen cabinets and bathroom fixtures. Acrylic paints, with their versatility and durability, are an excellent choice for a wide range of projects, from fine art to exterior home improvements. To conclude, understanding the differences between oil-based, water-based, enamel, and acrylic paints is crucial for achieving the best results in any painting project. Each type of paint has its unique properties, advantages, and ideal applications, making them suitable for different surfaces and environments. Oil-based paints offer superior durability and a high-gloss finish, but come with environmental and health concerns due to their high VOC content. Water-based paints provide a safer, more eco-friendly option with quick drying times and easy cleanup, making them a popular choice for most residential and commercial projects. Enamel paints, known for their hard, glossy finish, are available in both oil-based and water-based formulas, offering durability and resistance to chipping and scratching. Acrylic paints stand out for their versatility, quick drying times, and excellent color retention, making them a favorite among artists and homeowners alike. By choosing the right type of paint for the specific needs of a project, painters can ensure a professional, long-lasting finish that enhances the beauty and functionality of any space. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey through the world of paints. We hope this video has helped you better understand the differences between oil-based, water-based, enamel, and acrylic paints, and how to choose the right one for your next project. Whether you're refreshing a room, tackling a DIY project, or diving into an art piece, knowing your paint options can make all the difference in achieving a beautiful, lasting finish. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.